Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to use Roblox Credit in 2025. If you're a Roblox enthusiast looking to make the most of your credits, whether it's for buying cool avatars or unlocking premium games, this guide is perfect for you. Roblox Credit, which is essentially Robux or gift cards converted into usable funds, has seen some awesome updates this year, making it easier than ever to enhance your gaming experience. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Roblox account. Head over to the Roblox website or open the app on your device. Once you're in, make sure you're signed in with the account that has the credits. Now, navigate to the Roblox Credit section in your wallet. It's usually found under the Robux tab. Here, you'll see your current balance, so double-check how much you have to spend. Next, let's talk about spending it. One of the best ways is to hit up the Roblox Marketplace. Search for items like outfits, accessories, or even game passes. When you find something you like, simply click Buy and confirm the purchase using your credits. It's that straightforward. For 2025, Roblox has introduced smarter search filters, so you can easily find deals or limited-time offers. Don't forget about in-game purchases. Many games now allow you to use credits directly for upgrades or special features. Just join a game, look for the shop or store icon, and select items with your credits. A pro tip: keep an eye on your transactions to avoid any surprises. Roblox has improved security features this year to protect your funds. Finally, if you run into any issues, Roblox's Help Center is your best friend. They have updated FAQs specifically for credit usage. So, what are you waiting for? Grab those credits and start playing. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Roblox hack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.